There is no paint on this truck. This is 100% liner. Guys, it's Brad from Body Liner. I'm here with Rob and a beautiful 2012 Ram 3500 that just got completely redone in show liner down at Bartonz Customz in St. Paul. I just wanted to ask you, Rob, why did you decide you wanted to go with Body Liner?
Because my truck cost a lot of money when I purchased it, and I wanted something that would preserve that. It's a huge investment when you purchase a truck, especially a diesel.
Yep.
I did some investigation, and
Yep.
I seen your product, and it looked incredible, right?
Awesome, man. Well, I was actually looking at your kickbacks done by 5 Star Auto Accessories. You own a company called Iron Swing Mechanical Services, and I saw something really cool on there that says, "Stand Sure." Can you tell me a little bit about that? What is that?
That's my Scottish family crest from Scotland, yeah.
So your family all comes from Scotland?
Basically, yeah, more or less, yeah, that's where the boat came from.
Yeah, yeah.
And I take pride in my history anyway.
And what does Iron Swing Mechanical do?
Heavy duty mechanical repairs, fleet maintenance.
And where are you guys based out of?
Out of High Prairie.
Out of High
Alberta,
Prairie,
yeah.
awesome. So how did you end up discovering Body Liner?
It was through internet research, really. And then Facebook there, different show trucks that you guys were putting out, and that's what I wanted, so.
Awesome. How long have you had the truck?
I've had it since 2013. Low kilometers, paid a lot of money for it. I was pretty proud of it.
Well, we got John from Bartonz Customz here, and John, what a great job you did with this truck, but I do want to ask you, what did you all do to her? Because I know that she was quite a big job. What panels did you all have to replace?
Basically everything. We replaced everything from the fenders, doors, rockers, the whole box. I even did a custom tailgate for them. We just basically did everything in complete show liner on this truck, other than there's a textured portion on the bottom.
Well, correct me if I'm wrong, is that a 5th gen tailgate?
It is. So 5th gens, and it's a 5th gen box actually.
Oh, okay.
Which fit on 4th gens. I had to graft in a 4th gen tailgate handle because 4th gens don't have the capability of a electronic tailgate handle. So this has been grafted into a 4th gen handle with a 5th gen tailgate.
Awesome. I mean, she all looks fantastic. And if you guys don't know what show liner is, that is our ultra smooth body liner with clear HD on top. But it's not just on top, it's melded one to become something that is extremely flexible, very polishable, and one of our smoothest, highest gloss, most reflective finishes. And John, you did a great job, my friend.
Thanks, buddy. I appreciate it.